Today we are going to discuss very interesting one. We are going to see what are the free courses available from EDX. Okay, there are a lot of free courses they are providing. Let's see one by one. Before that, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel. Let's discuss what the courses are available. So here you can see the courses for how to use ChatGPT in business, in education, and for generative AI for business leaders and AI application and prompt engineering. There are a lot of courses in GPT, ChatGPT and OpenAI, and data storytelling, math for machine learning with Python, how to use ChatGPT in healthcare, in tech coding and data. And also, there are some courses are provided for spreadsheet and statistics, designing a course with EDX, and also math for machine learning with our language. There are a lot of courses are available using ChatGPT and prompt engineering and advanced ChatGPT, ethical hacking, introduction to Python, fundamentals and introduction to design thinking, and also HTML for learning HTML, prompt engineering, learn SQL. Let me quickly select the SQL what we are going to cover in this topic. Let's see. So this is the course for learn SQL, and here what you have to do is just enroll the course and start learning. So here in this topic they are covering all these things to define and explain the benefits of SQL and what is database, identify SQL data types to create basic SQL statements, uses of SQL commands, all the things they are going to cover in this video. So, and what else? Jira fundamentals. If you want to any understand about Jira, that also you can learn here, and introduction to GitHub. So if you want to learn GitHub, how to use GitHub, all the things you can learn here. You have to just enroll it and start learning how to create, store files in GitHub, store update codes, best practices, all the things you can learn here for how to use GitHub. GitHub is one of the main thing. It will be useful in your projects if you want to share your code into GitHub repo. That also you can learn here. There are many courses are available. So what you have to do is you just this is the link for edx.org/school/edx/programs. Okay, so I will provide the link in the description. You just click and start once you signed up and start your learnings. Okay, here you have to this all courses are free only, so you can start learn.